Assalamu alaikum. Are you confused between the phonics of between these two Arabic alphabets? Being a beginner, you can't differentiate between the phonics of these two letters, which are zo and za. Zo and za. Yes, they are very similar. That's why confusing for the learners. I will teach you in this video how to differentiate between them. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We have started series of learning the similar sounding Arabic alphabets. In this video, we will learn the difference between za and za. Za is a heavy letter, make a heavy sound, wa, wa. And za is a light letter, make a whistling sound, za, za. We write some words over here so you can learn the pronunciation through practice. Let's start practice. The first word is zol, vol. It is zo, zol, and it is za, zal, zal. The meaning of zol is to shade. To shade. And meaning of zal, to be wrong. So just by converting the letter from one to other words, the meaning of word quite change. So we have to learn to differentiate between them, and also while speaking Arabic you have to be expert of it, otherwise you may confuse the words and you want to say something else and you're saying something else actually. So let's start. Zol, zal, Zahur, Zahur, Zahur. Zahur means occurrence and Zahur means flowers. Mazalla, Mazalla, umbrella. Mazalla, Mazalla, subservience. Next word is azima, azima, great. And azima, determination. Mazhar, Mazhar, appearance. Mazhar, flower bed. So this is a difference between the wa and za. With the letter wa make the heavy sound because wa is pronounced from the tip of the tongue, then touch the upper two incisors, lower side. Wal, wahur, mazallah, azima, mazhar. And za is pronounced when the tip of the tongue touches the lower two incisors with a whistling sound. Zal, zahur, mazallah, azima, mazhar. Do practice all these words if you really want to pro in Arabic, and tell me in the comment box what you learned and what is difficult for you. This page is also available on my website. The link of that page you can find in the description box. Do visit my site and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video with a new words which are confusing. Assalamu alaikum.